fabulous end to a fabulous 2 days of films. It has just been such a wonderful experience for all of us who came from Delhi to be here. With me was Nupur Basu, who's been managing trustee earlier of the India chapter. So we're all managing. I'm managing trustee of the India chapter of IWAT. Currently, she was managing trustee earlier. And there's Deepika with us, who's part of the current board. We've been thinking about this traveling festival for 5 years now. In 2018, between 2018 and 20, Nupur was the managing trustee, and Deepika and I were her office bearers. So I was the secretary and she was the treasurer. And that was when we first thought of bringing a traveling festival to Nagaland. And Naro, of course, has been an old friend from Jammu, but that was the year that her film had come to our festival in Delhi, and we wanted to bring her into IWAT, and we thought one way to do that would be to tell her that, hey, why don't you bring the traveling festival to Nagaland? And we first spoke about it then. It is now 2025, so it's taken us 5 years to get here, but what a wonderful wait it has been, totally worth it. Thank you so much, Naro, and thank you, Film Association of Nagaland, for putting together, this wonderful festival with such wonderful people. I think what we're really taking back with us is this memory of hanging out with, speaking with such wonderful, especially women filmmakers. We've met so many of you here. And it really it fills our hearts with inspiration. A lot of times when we're in Delhi or Bangalore or any of these metropolitan cities, you get so jaded. You feel like you're part of the same conversations over and over again. And it's so nice to come here and to listen to these conversations, to listen to the kind of work that's happening over here. So many of you, we've had such great conversations. We have one more member of IWAT here. There's Naro, of course, and there's also Imna Senla. So it was so great to hang out with her, and we're really hoping that we will now have the biggest state contingent for IWAT from Nagaland. So many amazing filmmakers. We want all of you here as part of IWAT, and so we were joking that IWAT world over has about 500 members, and 100 of them nearly are from India. So similarly with IWAT India, we have about 90 members or so. Maybe we can have at least another 15-20 from here. That would be so cool. 1/5 from here. It was very interesting to put together the package of films, because you're really wondering which films to send. Of course, it depends on the filmmakers. So, a big thank you and a lot of gratitude to the filmmakers who agreed to send their films here. So we have to take permission because they give us permission to screen the films in Delhi as part of the IWAT Film Festival. But every time we have to make the film festival travel, we need to separately get their permission, and they gave us permission very kindly. And many of them, they charge screening fees, but for this one they forwent their screening fees as well, and they didn't charge it. So a big sort of thank you to the filmmakers. The filmmakers are all of Asian origin, all women directors of Asian origin. So they may be living across the world, but they are all from Asia. I'd also like to quickly give you a little bit of a background on IWAT and how IWAT Chapter India began. So this year, 2025, we celebrated our 20th year of the film festival. So we first started with the film festival in 2005. And in those days, 2005, film festivals weren't really that common, and especially a film festival that concentrated on films made by women directors. Really wasn't that common. Even now, there aren't too many filmmakers, I think, which concentrate just on women directors. And the idea really was for the space to become 3 days of meeting, networking, listening to stories, exchanging stories. And it really does become that, those 3 days that we have at the India International Center every March. We usually do it around Women's Day. So every March, we have women descending on IIC, and everywhere you go, you will just see hordes of women, and we also do these tie-ups with colleges around Delhi. So we have lots of young people coming in, watching films, and the IIC people, otherwise it's it's like an India International Center, right? So largely sort of populated by older people. And suddenly for 3 days, you have young people taking over that entire space and talking, and we have these little, snack places. So, we go, we sit there, we eat these wonderful sabudana vadas and chow mein and all of that. So, it's 3 days of immersion in conversations around film, around what it means to be directing, what it means to be in films. And of course, it's not as though it's only women coming, right? So you have men, women, young people coming. And it's just 3 vibrant days. And I really feel that, this is the beginning, and we will, I'm hoping I will come back for the 20th year of this traveling festival, and may you go from strength to strength, and then you will come and we will remember and say, oh, 2025 we came, and this is how it was, and so on and so forth.
It was such an honor for me to be a part of IWARD. I think it's more than 3 years now, right? So my supervisor, who is Dr. Kiran Bansal, one day she called me and, she asked me, Nasma, you have to be a part of IWARD. And I'm so sorry, I didn't know what IWARD was. So I asked her, ma'am, what is IWARD all about? So she asked me, are you still doing your activities? Are you still in radio? Are you still doing your documentaries? I told her I'm still very active. I produce radio programs which are commissioned, and then I also do some documentary films. So she was very excited, and immediately she nominated my name. And I'm so happy that today I could meet all of the IWARD members here, executive members. And I'm so happy that we are able to organize this traveling film festival, which is an eye-opener for all of us. So I have been to Berlin this time, Berlin Film Festival, and I thought these last few years I was not so active. I thought I'm so old for this now. I felt like I'm too old carrying cameras, going here, taking interviews. I always, thought there are so many young people around me. They should be the ones who, should go out, make films, good films. But, Berlin Film Festival was a great experience, eye-opener for me, because there are so many great, filmmakers who are more than 50 years of age, even 60, 70. So that has really motivated me now, and I really want to encourage all our senior filmmakers here not to give up. Just, concentrate on your scripts, because we are all storytellers here.
Losing is easy, winning takes bravery. I am the tiger's trail. Out in the open, no one to save me. The kindness of whiskers untrue. Should I ask myself what more you do? Tell me
everyone for being here at the valedictory session. I know this is a small festival, but so much effort and time goes into making something like this happen. I want to thank all the people who have supported us for this festival, but foremost, I would like to thank everyone who have come and attended this festival, have watched the films. Thank you for your support. In spite of the heavy rainfall and your busy schedule,